Hey guys, how's it going? Hope y'all are doing good. It's a good day to fly today. No wind. Well, there's still some wind, but not as bad. Probably like 10-mile-an-hour winds, so that's a good day to fly for me. And no rain, no clouds. It's perfect. So I got my Jones with me here. I'm gonna go check out. Well, I'm here at Lake Lewisville, Lake Dallas. I think it's like Lake Lewisville and Lake Dallas. I don't know. They were mixed in together somehow. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out a couple trails around the area and see if I can get some trails in the video as well as the lake. Ew, gross, but it looks kind of cool. Also, I think this is like Christmas tree Death Valley here. So just see if I can show you. There's one there, one here, two over there, and another one over there. I don't know what makes people think that they can go throw their Christmas trees in the lake. Not a very productive day today. I guess I was just a little unmotivated. I don't know, but it's like windy all of a sudden, and it's a lot of real estate lake, so it's got to drive around the whole lake just to be able to find a spot. But I'm at this one spot, and it's got a cool little island feature, but it's just too windy, and I'm scared it's gonna drift off too far when I start bringing it back in, and hard to control to get back. So I think I'm just gonna play it safe and head home. So I'll see y'all until then. So hope you enjoy the few minutes of video that I did get.